In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and account.squarespace.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to navigate your Squarespace account and add a map block to a page, step by step, with confidence. Start by heading to Squarespace's Create Your Website page. This is the best entry point because it brings you to the current interface and highlights the tools you'll be using. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in. Go ahead and do that so you can access your sites and settings. Next, look for the Account dashboard. It's your home base for managing everything tied to your account. Click into it, and you'll see tiles or sections for different areas of your work. From here, choose the Website section. This takes you into the place where you can manage your sites, pages, and content. It's helpful to think of this as the bridge between your overall account and any specific website you're building. Now, click on your website to open it. You'll land in the site's dashboard, where you can access design, pages, settings, and more. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you select the correct one before proceeding so your changes apply in the right place. Once you're in your site, go to the Pages area and open the page where you want the map to appear. With the page in view, click Edit. This switches the page into editing mode and reveals the on-page controls, allowing you to place new content exactly where you want it. Hover over the section where you want the map, then click Add Block. You'll see the block picker appear, which is where you can find all of Squarespace's content types. The insert point you choose determines the map's position, so take a moment to pick the right spot for your layout. In the block search field, type Map. This filters the options and quickly brings the map block to the top, saving you from scrolling through the full list. It's a simple trick that speeds up your workflow, especially on content-heavy pages. Finally, click the map block to add it to the page. You'll see a placeholder map appear right away so you can confirm placement in your design. From here, you can continue working in the editor when you're ready, but for now, you've successfully added the map exactly where you intended. That's it. You navigated your account, opened your site, entered edit mode, added a block, searched for map, and placed it on the page, all with a clean, repeatable process.